If your family says you sound like a freight train when you sleep and your wife has left you for the comfort of the couch, there's a good chance you've wondered how to stop snoring. Let's face it, the wheezing sound makes it hard to get a good night's rest, not just for yourself, but for anyone trying to sleep in your vicinity. Snoring can be a simple issue, or it can be a complicated one. Some people resort to nasal surgery, but while that might cut it for them, you'd like to try something natural before that, and we have it for you. Want to nip your snoring habit and sleep your way to health? Do it now at GoodNiterAsia.com.